Blank space. Very blank space. This is actually, maybe that's too much light. Bad lighting in here. Very bad lighting, y'all. Because all there's is the one above my head, and then if I open the door or the ring light, this is like our entryway. But it's a cabinet top, so we're going to decorate it. It's blank space. We can't have blank space, and I actually hoarded on some stuff from an auction that I knew that I wanted to put up here. It's a suitcase. It's a green suitcase. Did y'all remember when I got this at the auction? Luckily, it was filled with a whole bunch of stuff, but nothing terribly good. And luckily, nobody else really wanted a green suitcase but me. So I'm gonna hope it's actually good inside. It's just like wood. So I'm hoping to fill it up with yummies. And it might be one of those I have to get the step stool to work on, but I can put my general things here for you. Look at this box. Oh, it's amazing. So, still where they used a paper clip to do the tag. Good idea. So, this is great, like great filler. It's large. It says happy holidays. It's got the green to go with that green, though the greens may not totally match. I have this oldie. I know it's black. I have to use the step stool. I'm not sure if I'm going to change the wire out right yet, but I have a screw back here from where, yeah, that string does not look very good, but I can work with it. Vision, that doesn't mean it's always going to be working. I had all this stuff sitting here, so I have, do you remember when I got that? But, and then on another sale, somebody had another one. I'm like, are you kidding me? So I'm like, oh my gosh, I totally have to get that one and make a little stack. And then, so these are the pieces I've been hoarding on to put over here. So we will see how it all works. So I'm going to get some Santas. I'm going to put some Santas in here. This may not stay. I don't know if it's flowing since I found, because I had that first and then I got this and I like the green. But you just have to play. We're playing house here, and is it Christmas time playing house? We usually always leave our garage door open because Tater likes to be in the garage. Okay, I don't know if I need to raise these guys up on anything or if they're going to be cute as a button without. Some sit, some stand. See, y'all who are judging me because I had so many of them. I do use them. So yes, he won't stand. He's grabbing my hair. Hello. So, oh my goodness, I can actually get a couple more. I have more, meaning I don't need to go out and shop for more yet. Not yet. Hold on, make room. There's more room. My daughter absolutely does not like these fillers. Could have got her to move out of the house sooner if I would have started collecting those back in the day, huh? I do. I think they're cute and cuddly. They're either creepy or they're cute and cuddly. I don't think there's enough space to have full-size Santa mugs, so I'm just going to do the littles. Turn those so you can see their little faces. This one's got a little paint loss. They're old. Probably should have tightened that stand up first. I have some gold ones. I don't, you know, it's all about testing out. But I thought they kind of went with the faded paper. But I kind of would like some, you know, we want to stick them all around. Oh, they're actually staying up. Oh no, it's my price tag. Probably because somebody thought he was tacky gold. I don't see him as tacky gold. Yeah, I do like that there. Oh, I might have to back them with something. So what about putting some green flower frogs behind them? And then I can get some cash register tag. I may not need both of them. One might work, but that'll back them so that they don't fall over. And then go find 25 cash register tag. Like I said, I don't think I need both. Oh, maybe. Hello. This is not one that I've been able to ever get a hold of, but like the whole to resell them. I bought this one on Whatnot. And you just have to decide where it's gonna go. Might have to go with a smaller one. It's moving too much. And once we get it up here, we don't have time to play with it. Well, once I get everything, the stores are still covered with Christmas, so there, that's better. I didn't know I have some red bottle brush trees. The red may not necessarily go, but I thought I'd give it a try anyway. Because it's a totally that vintage red to see. It looks more purple now. So we'll pick a different color. So I'm kind of keeping with the old advertising. I bought this on a Whatnot because it was plaid. And it was faded. Like I said, I can rearrange the season greetings, and then this one's just green. United, and I think it's actually got, did it have stamps in it? No stamps. But then trying to find a flower frog that you could just slide, because some of them are like staggered. It fills in that space. I don't care for the string on there anyway, so if I have to put it to tack because it's not very heavy, I will do that. I love these Scotch tape containers. I know sometimes you cover up some of the things that you put out, and they do as I'm jumping up and down like it. But then this one was a little different because it came in the lot that I bought, but it does have the candy cane stripe. So I think I'm just going to leave that as is right now. I could put that up there. You don't see that yummy. It's not very big candy cane stripe, but oh, it's all coming together. All that stuff that you see and you're like, that's Christmassy, that's Christmassy, that's Christmassy. It's the Christmas number, it's the Christmas elf, it's the Christmas Santa, it's the Christmas colors. Now we just have to figure out how to display them all together for this season. So using some more ephemera. I might have to rise that one up a little bit. Another flower frog. Make it a little bit on the taller side. And it's like, okay, I can't do that until I do this. So this is missing two of it, but if I overlap the two of them together, I don't know. The red, that might be so red that it's, you know, I want it to work. Using a flower frog as a paper clip, right? Probably not at all what it was meant to be, right? If it doesn't work out, I'll put it in a vignette for y'all. I love these, but I don't. Now I don't love these. I love those until I put those with it. Oh. Nobody said you don't. You have to keep it where you started. You can change it out. I didn't know. I need something big right there. I think I do anyway. I got all the stuff that I'm taking out now. Oh, it's pretty creepy. And I don't know why the person I bought it from decided to chop the beard straight across. But that might be the height I'm looking for. Oh, whoa, don't hit that. Take that down because I'm going to have to move that anyway. But he's got gold and he actually plays. But I'm not going to play him. Oh, I'm not going to play him. Maybe I'm not going to. I don't know. I don't know how you even wind him up. Oh, you have to do batteries. He's battery powered. So nope, not doing it. I'm just gonna set him so he is judging everybody, but he's got that gold bell. Fix my little scotch. I'll probably put a little bit of the gorilla, the alligator tape or whatever it's called, the removable tape, because you know those are gonna roll all around. Oh, he is so judging. It's a weird angle up here, y'all. I'm just gonna get the feel for that right there. Oh, I don't know. Oh my. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can switch it around a little bit. It's like I like that and I like that. But I just have to figure out how to get everybody in the middle. See, maybe I centered it. The birds are really loud. Center it in the middle, maybe. I don't know how to twist his head so he's not judging everybody. It's funny how things sometimes don't make the cut. Oh, he's cute on there. Okay. Yeah, I just had to rethink of how I wanted to do that. But now I need to do something about that screw. So I have this Merry Christmas. So I'm hoping that it's tall enough that it will sit. Oh, it does. I wasn't sure. Oh, look, it covers up that screw. There we go. I'm pretty proud of myself. Get a whole bunch of old crap together that people would just throw away and make it into a Christmas display. Don't be shy, little guy. There.